Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Pontiac GTO Convertible. I love this body style. Great car, guys. This is the original color combination. It's a factory Atoll blue, which is a real pretty color. Factory dark blue vinyl interior, and then it's got the white convertible top. That is the original color combination. Sorry, lots of loud traffic today. PHS documented car. They only built like 3,600 of these cars in a convertible, so they're not easy to find. I love them. I've owned about 5 of these cars. Really one of my favorite body styles in a GTO, but pretty color combination. This car just in 2016 underwent a complete body up restoration. Matter of fact, there's a receipts. There are receipts for the mechanicals in the trunk for this car. It's got, they redid it at 65,000. It's got just over 70 now, so there's about 5,000 miles on, like I say, a complete body up restoration. Did a great job. Drove the car this morning. Just a killer car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. Doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. Just really a nicely done car. You can see it's got beautiful paint on it, guys. You can see how nice that front nose is. It's not beat up at all. Like I say, just a good car. It was actually pretty this morning when I drove this car, but our sun's got away now. I don't know where it's gone, but it's actually gotten a little chilly. I had to grab a jacket. Dual chrome mirrors, completely redid the interior, new carpets, repadded, refoamed, recovered the seats, power top. I've ordered a new boot for the convertible top, the cover for the convertible top. You can see the fit and finish is excellent on the car. Car was delivered new into California. You can see the bumper's nice. That's a pretty doggone car right there. Nice and straight down the sides. I didn't see where they had changed any body panels on the car, guys. It's got the correct GTO chrome rear tips. Beautiful car. These are actually brand new. Those are Pontiac Rally 2s, which are correct for the car. You can see it's got the PMD caps and lug nuts. Firehawk white letter tires all the way around it. Well, that's a pretty car. Again, according to the PHS, it's got the factory YS. It is a factory YS block, which is in this car. But guys, there should be a VIN on the front of that block for me to call it matching numbers. I cannot make out the VIN, so I'm just going to tell you that it's a era correct YS block, 400, 350 horse, 4-barrel. They did add the ram air to the hood. It's power steering. They've got headers on it, stock intake manifold, power front disc brakes. It's got air. The air blows ice cold. I can tell you when I bought this car down in Florida, it was one of those 90-degree days, and the air blew nice and cold. They've added an aftermarket aluminum radiator, but it still fits up with the stock shroud. They replaced, it would originally had a 400 trans. They have replaced that with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. So the nice thing, man, you can get on the expressway and roll in this thing. I have fond memories with a 70 GTO, man. I can tell you, my dad turned me loose. I was about 20, 21 years old on Woodward Avenue in a 70 GTO convertible. And man, I had an absolute blast. So I have always been fond of these cars. Again, dual chrome mirrors. You can see all the door rubbers and stuff are real nice. I mean, this is just a nice car. And like I say, just a pleasure to drive. New carpet, you can see the new sill plates in it. Bucket seats, console, factory wood grain dash. Again, it is a power top. We'll put that up for you. It's a little bit too chilly to drive down the road with the top down. Factory tach and gauges. Again, just over 70,000. 70,328. Again, they died, and it is documented in the paperwork. They redid everything at 65,000. Tach and gauges are nice and clear. They all work. It's got an AM/FM Delco radio that works nice. Power top works great. You can see they've also added the overdrive selector. Owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got a Flowmaster, I believe it's a Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It is a 355 safety track rear end with the rear sway bar. You see it's still got the VIN on the top of the quarter there. Pretty car, man. Jack was spare. There's all your assembly manuals and everything. Again, the PHS is in here, along with the receipts for the drivetrain when they redid it. The only thing that's not in there is the receipt for the paint. Everything opens and closes real nice. Like I say, the fit and finish is great on the car. Car's clean underneath. It's not overdone underneath. They didn't, you know, pull it off the frame, but it's clean. Again, you just don't find these cars. Missing a couple of little door bumpers in there. These are not easy to find, man. And this is a nice one. This is turnkey. You can go ahead if you want and start getting in there. Well, hold on one second. Let me get the dash. Sorry. Seats have been all padded, refoamed. Covers are nice. Dash is nice. It's not all split or beat up. Again, the gauges are nice and clean. Steering wheel looks good. All your little interior lights are working. Yeah, you can go ahead and fire it up and then start putting that top up, Jordan. I don't think you want to drive down the road with that top. Oh, hit your air, Jordan. Air works. Air blows cold. Choke works. That's a nice car right there, man. That's just a good quality car. You see the power top works good. Top's in very nice shape. It's got the plastic rear window. Car holds great oil pressure. Tach works. Got a nice little lobe to the cam. That's a nice car, man. That's just a good quality car right there. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, top's nice. I love that front end on these cars. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can always keep track of us on our social media, at our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to see the new inventory that comes in. Man, I love that car right there, guys. Wish we had some sunshine on it because it's pretty. That's a pretty color on that car.